Hello. Come on, Barry.
What are we doing today, Paul?
Well, we're looking for a job, aren't we?
Will we get one here then?
Of course you will. Everybody gets a job at the job centre.
Ooh. Yeah, but there's nobody here.
No, but somebody will be along in a minute. We'll sit down and wait.
Okay.
Ooh. Barry.
Yeah.
Sit down.
Right. Hey, it's one of these cushion things.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Get rid of it.
Get rid of it.
It's funny, though.
I've got rid of it.
Good lad.
I hope they're not long. And remember, no slacking.
Oh, dear, oh, dear.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
It's him.
If he sees it's us, he'll never give us a job.
He won't, will he?
What are we going to do?
I know. We'll pretend it's not us.
Hey,
When he comes in and sees us, we'll say, no, that's not us.
will it work?
Of course it will, especially if we change our names. Now, let's have a think. I'll be Mr. Watt.
Paul what?
Yes, Mr. Watt, and you can be, Mr. Who.
Barry who?
Yeah, Paul Watt and Barry Who.
So you're Paul what?
Yeah.
And I'm Barry who?
Yes, he'll never know then, will he?
Okay then.
Don't forget, I'm Mr. Watt, you're Mr. Who.
Right.
Sit down, sit down.
Next. It's you two.
No, it's not.
It's the Trouble Brothers.
Never heard of him.
Must be two other people you're thinking about.
I'd know you two anywhere. And what are you doing here?
We've come for a job.
Oh, well, you've come to the right place.
Yeah, job centre.
Now, first of all, I'd like to see your testimonials.
What's he mean, Paul?
Your references.
Oh, they're in the post.
Oh, right. Well, just take a seat.
Oh, sit down, Barry.
Thank you.
I'll join you.
I put it on his seat.
Now then, I'm going to take down your particulars.
You're not.
I am.
You're not.
I am.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Telephone.
Look, I'm rather busy. Would you answer it, please?
You answer it, Barry.
Me?
Yes.
Right. Hello? You don't say. You don't say. You don't say. Bye.
Who was that?
You didn't say.
Ringing again.
Look, I'm still busy. Please, would you answer it?
Answer it, Barry.
Hello? Oh, yes, it is. Bye.
What was that?
He said it's a long distance from Australia. I said it is.
No. you
Well,
see,
it is.
Yeah, but
Hey, stop messing about. I need some details.
Oh, right.
We'll start with you first.
Me.
Right. What's your name?
Yes,
I said, what's your name?
that's right.
What's right?
That's right.
What is?
Yes.
Yes, what?
It's my name.
I'm asking you.
I'm telling you.
You're telling me what?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Oh, don't keep saying yes. What's your first name?
What's my second name?
I didn't ask you that. I said, what's your first name?
What's my second name?
What is your second name?
Yes.
Is it?
It is.
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Oh. Look, forget it. I'll try this lad. He looks more sensible. Right. What's your name?
What's his name?
I'm asking the questions.
I'm telling you.
Yeah. What's your name?
What's his name?
Forget him. You are who?
Yes, I am.
You are who?
I am who?
Who?
Me.
You.
Who?
You.
Me.
You who?
You who?
You who?
Really friendly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dear, oh dear. I'll go back to him. Look, what's your first name?
What's my second name?
Oh, don't start that again. Just tell me your first name.
Paul.
Paul. Paul what?
Yes.
Yes, what?
That's my name.
What is?
That is.
What?
Yes.
Spell it, please.
W-A-T-T.
Oh, what?
Yes.
Paul what?
Yes.
Well, why didn't you say so in the first place?
See, it gets through in the end.
Right. And what's your first name?
What's his second name?
Oh, dear. Look, just tell me your first name.
My first name is Barry.
Barry. Barry who?
That's right.
What's right?
No, who's right?
Who's right?
I'm right.
Who?
Who?
You.
Me.
You who?
You who?
He's
Oh,
at
he's
it
skipping again.
Look, Barry, please spell your second name. Spell it.
H-O-O.
Oh, who?
Yes.
Barry who?
That's it.
And Paul what?
Yes.
Oh, now you're talking. And what kind of job are you looking for?
Well, actually, we can do anything, can't we, Barry?
Anything.
We've done all sorts of jobs, haven't we?
Oh,
Yes.
as a matter of fact, listen, I've taken a fancy to you two lads.
Eh?
No, seriously, listen. Apart from working here, I've got another job as well.
You haven't.
I have.
You haven't.
I have.
Have you?
Yes. I'm headmaster at the local school.
Headmaster at local school.
Grange Grove, Biker Hill.
Oh.
And I can give you two a job at the school.
Great, I've always wanted to be a school teacher.
Me too.
Give over. No, no. Not school teachers.
Oh, no, not school teachers.
No, caretakers.
Oh, caretakers.
We can do that, can't we?
That's great. Keep off the grass and all that, isn't it? Yeah. I like that.
Would that be all right?
Yes.
There's just one snag, really.
Oh, there's a snag.
No, we've already got a caretaker, you see.
Well, there you are then.
No, but listen, it's old Sid. Grumpy old Sid. And he's due to retire any time now, so I can give him the sack and give you the job.
Hey, give him the sack and give us his job. That's not fair.
No, but he's got to retire soon anyway, so it doesn't matter, does it?
And he won't mind.
Oh, he'll mind.
Hey?
Oh, he won't be keen on you two, will he?
Why not?
Oh, he'll chase you.
Because he's grumpy.
Yeah, but never mind. He hates people, you see. But I'm in charge, and if I say the job's yours, it's yours.
So you sure it's all right then?
Yes, be at the school, 2 o'clock this afternoon, and you're the new caretaker.
Oh, great. We've got a job, Barry. OK, see you later then.
Right.
2 o'clock and ask for old Sid.
Yes, yes.
That's for old Sid.
Remember, no slacking.
Come on, Barry.
Dear, oh dear, now I've got to find old Sid and tell him he's got the sack. Trouble is, he's such a grumpy old devil, and he hates people, especially kids. If he sees you sitting out there, do you know what he'll do? He'll shout, "Get out of it." He will. He'll shout, "Get out of it." And if he does, I want you all to shout back as loud as you can, "Get out of it." Now, don't forget. Now then, I've got to find old Sid, tell him he's got the sack. Don't fancy this.
Now put that cat down, you kids. Stop messing about and leave those milk bottles alone. Kids are always messing. Just a minute. Who'll be that out there? Kids? Get out of it! Oh, he hates kids, I tell you. Don't fight them at all. They're horrible.
Ah, there you are, Sid.
Oh, hello, sir.
Now, I've got some good news and some bad news for you.
Well, I like the sound of half of that, sir, not all of it.
Would you like the good news first?
Please, give away the good news, sir.
Well, you've worked for us all your life, caretaker.
Man and boy, sir, yeah.
Done a marvellous job.
Wonderful job.
We do appreciate it.
I thought you might.
We'd like to present you with this lovely gold watch.
Oh, it's very nice, sir. I was hoping for a mini, but that'll do, I suppose.
Sid.
What?
You haven't heard the bad news yet, have you?
I was hoping not to hear that, sir.
Well, you know you're due to retire any day now.
Oh, I didn't think it was any day, sir.
Well, today's the day.
Today's the day.
I've given your job to somebody else.
Somebody else?
The Trouble Brothers.
The Trouble Brothers?
Paul and Barry.
Paul and Barry?
And I want you to show them the ropes.
I'll show them the ropes, all right. I'll string them up with the ropes.
Now,
Yeah.
don't be like that. Look, be at the school 2 o'clock this afternoon.
Yeah.
All right?
I'll be there.
Paul and Barry,
Paul and Barry? I ate them already.
the Chuckle Brothers.
They'll be chuckling, all right.
Tell them what to do
I'll tell them what to do.
and tell them where to go.
I'll tell them where to go, all right, you know.
But remember,
What?
no slacking.
No slacking, yeah. You always say no slacking. You know I hate them, can you? Get out of it! Get out of it. I'll show them where to
Come on, Barry. Listen. Oh, there's somebody here. We'll ask him.
Right.
Excuse me, sir. I don't suppose you know the way to Grove Biker or something.
Grange Grove Biker Hill.
That's the place,
Yeah,
yeah.
he knows the place, all
Oh,
right.
well, we've got to meet somebody there called. He's called Old Sid. Evidently, he's a nasty piece of work. Nobody likes him. He's very grumpy, isn't he?
Hates everybody. So you wouldn't happen to have the names of Paul and Barry by any chance, would you?
Yes, that's us. What's your name?
Sid.
Oh, dear. He must be that nice one they told us about called Sid.
The
yeah.
nice fella called Sid. He knows this place, but you won't like it.
We will.
You won't.
We will.
You won't.
Won't we?
No, because it's not nice.
It is.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
Isn't it?
No, it's because of that fella, that no slacking fella, him.
Oh, well, there's nothing wrong with him. We've known him for years. We get on like a house on fire, don't we?
Of course we do.
Yeah.
In fact, didn't we burn his house down once?
Sit there, we don't talk about that.
Yes, but you see, you haven't seen him when he puts that hat on, have you, and becomes the headmaster.
No.
And he goes potty.
He doesn't.
He does.
He doesn't.
He does.
Does he?
Yeah, he thinks everybody's kids.
He doesn't.
He does.
He doesn't.
He does.
Does he?
Yeah, he even thinks I'm a kid and I hate kids.
It's kids.
You must hate yourself then if he hates kids.
It'd be fun, that, won't it? Puts his hat
Well,
on.
I'll
doesn't
show you the way, lads. I'll tell you instead. I'll tell you what. Look here, I've just thought of this here. Have one of them each.
What are these then?
They're school caps.
School caps.
Yes, you put one of them on, you see, go to the school. Headmaster teacher said, 2 nice lads, you're in his good books, aren't he?
Hey, you know what I always say? Make a good impression. Put 'em on, Barry.
You're all right, lads. This way. This is the way.
Thanks, Sid.
Come on, come on.
Another day, another term. Just waiting for the new teacher to arrive. Wonder where she is. Oh, hello.
Hello.
You must be Marie.
That's correct.